So many beautiful and interesting birds live in Nebraska. This week, we'll be learning about watching and listening for birds in our yards. Cardinals are our school mascot. Boy cardinals are a dark red color, and girl cardinals are more brown with some red feathers on their head and wings. Cardinals can eat insects and seeds. And at our house, we have found them stealing the cat food out of Harley's bowl, too. Here's what a cardinal sounds like. Next up are geese. Boys are called ganders, and girls are called a goose. Babies that you see here are called goslings. When you see a group of geese on land or in the water, they are called a gaggle. Geese eat seeds, nuts, grass, plants, and berries. Here are what geese sound like. Sandhill cranes migrate. Migration means that these birds move from one part of the world to another part every year. Right now, you can see thousands of them by Doniphan and the river. We'll learn more about them this week. Here's what sandhill cranes sound like. Today, ask your parents or the grown-up that's helping you to go outside with you and listen for some birds. You can listen to this movie again to hear the three that were introduced to you. Maybe you'll hear them outside your house. I know on my daily walk I keep hearing some cardinals out singing to each other. Enjoy, have fun outside.